Okay, so problem number 11. An Earth satellite has an apogee of 40,000 km and a perigee of 6,600 km. Assuming the radius of the Earth as 6,400 km, what will be the eccentricity of the elliptical path described by the satellite? Assume the center of the Earth is at one focus. Okay, so isayin natin. Yung sinasabi class na apogee, yan yung, halimbawa, nandito yung satellite, yan yung pinakamalayong distance ng satellite sa Earth. Okay? And then yung perigee naman, yun yung pinakamalapit. Okay? So, assuming na yung yung path ng satellite na umiikot sa Earth is elliptical daw. So, hahanapin natin yung eccentricity. Okay? So, eccentricity is equal to C over A. So, asan ba si C? Ito ang C. Ito si C, no? And then, si A naman is, of course, ito si A. Okay? So, ano ba si C? Or ano si A? Okay? So, ang A class, yan ay yung buong ito, from dito hanggang doon, i-divide natin ng 2. Yun yung A. So, ilan ba yon? It is 40,000 plus the diameter of the Earth, which is equal to twice ng 6,400 plus 6,600 and then divided by 2. So, 40,000. So, A is equal to 29,700. How about si C? C is equal to A minus 6,600 less 6,400. So, 29,700 less 6,600 less 6,400. So, that is equal to 6,700. So, the eccentricity is equal to 6,700 divided by 29,700. So, eccentricity is 0.56. Number 12. Find the eccentricity of the hyperbola whose equation is 9x squared less 16y squared plus 18x plus 64y less 91 is equal to 0. Pero, before natin hanapin yung eccentricity, try muna nating hanapin yung kanyang center. Okay? So, ano ba yung center? Ganito ang pagkuha ng center. Yung x class, ayan, yung coefficient ng x, i-divide mo sa coefficient ng x squared and then i-divide mo ng 2. Okay? So, 18 divided by 9 is 2. Divide mo ng 2, 1. So, negative 1 kasi positive yon, no? So, kung ikuha natin sa standard form. How about yung y? So, y 64. Okay? 64 divided by 16, ilan yon? 4. And then, i-divide mo ng 2, that is 64 divided by 16 is 4, divide mo ng 2, that is equal to 2. Okay? So, paano naging positive yan? Positive naman to, negative yon. Positive naman to, positive yan. Okay? So, ganito yan. Tingnan ninyo ha. Hanapin niyo yung sign ng x squared tsaka ng y squared. Ang sign ng x squared ay positive ha. Okay? And then yung sign naman ng y squared is negative. So that means na ang ellipse natin ay horizontal. Okay? Para mapatunayan natin na negative 2 tsaka 2 yan. Sige, try natin. So, wala namang mawawala kung itatry natin. So, baka mamaya, mali pala yung ginawa ko, at least may prove natin, no? Okay. So, i-transform natin into standard form. So, 9x squared, okay? Plus, so 18 divided by 9 is 2x, okay? Less 16, so y squared, and then this is negative 4, tama ba? Yes, 4y, kasi 64 divided by 16 is 4, is equal to, i-transpose natin yung 91 dun sa kabila, 91, then completing the square, 9x squared plus 2x plus 1 less 16y squared less 4y plus 4 is equal to 91 plus 9. Bakit magpa-plus tayo ng 9? Kasi nagdagdag dito sa kabila, 9. Dito naman is less 64. So, positive times negative. Okay? Yan. So, magiging x plus 1 square less 16 y square less 2. Okay? Is equal to, this is 100 less 64, 36. Okay, so divide natin both sides ng 36. So, x plus 1 square over 36 divided by 9 is 4. So, 2 square. Okay, less y less, bakit may square pa doon? Square, okay? Y less 2 square over 16 divided by 36 divided by 16 is 9 over 4. So, square root natin yung sagot na 9 over 4, 3 over 2. 3 over 2 square is equal to 1. Okay? So, yan. Kitang-kita class na yung hyperbola natin, yung center niya ay negative 1 and then 2. So, ano yung itsura ulit ng ating hyperbola? Ay, hyperbola pala ito. Bakit hyperbola? Tama, hyperbola. Hyperbola, sorry. Ellipse yung iniina sa isip ko kanina. Okay, so kung i-draw natin ito, ano yung sabi ko kanina? Horizontal, no? Sige, so check natin. Ngayon, kung i-draw natin, center is negative 1 and then 2. Okay? Negative 1, negative 2. Ito yung center. How about yung kanyang C? Focus. Focus class, kapag hyperbola ang pinag-uusapan, C square is equal to A square plus B square, no? Okay? So, ano ba si A? 2 plus A square is 4 pala. Then, B square is 9 over 4. Okay? Square root. So, ano si C? Yan ay 5 over 2 plus minus 5 over 2. Okay? So, ano ulit yung itsura ng hyperbola? Horizontal. Okay? So, eccentricity is equal to C over A. C is 5 over 2 and then CA is 2. So, the eccentricity is equal to 5 over 4. Okay. Yan. Horizontal class, ha? Sige. So, paano natin mapapatunayan na ito ay horizontal? Focus and then CA and then CB. Okay. Yung standard equation pala, class. So, yung sign ng ito is positive. And then, ito naman is negative. So, this is horizontal. Okay, so pag ganyan, ano yung kanyang A? A is 2. So, isa, dalawa. And then, isa, dalawa. So, pag ganito yung itsura, class, ng ating hyperbola. Yan. Okay. Ito si A, no? A yan. A ito. This is yung center, which is negative 1 and then 2. How about si C? Ang C naman natin, 5 over 4. Sorry. Eccentricity naman pala yan. Ang C natin is 2.5. 5 over 2. Andito yung C natin. Okay? Wherein si C is, ito. Yan ang C. No? C ito. Uy, mali. Ito hanggang dito. And then, yan ito si C naman. Okay, plus, minus. To how about si B? Si B naman natin is, pag ganito, si B, B. Yan. Okay, drawing ko na lang. Yung rectangle na yan. To si A, ito naman si B. Ayan. B, ito B. A and then B. Ha? A and then si B. Ayan. Sige. Number 13, determine the length of the latus rectum of the hyperbola whose equation is 9x squared less 4y squared plus 90x plus 189. Parabola. Hyperbola. Okay? So, kapag hyperbola, ano ang formula for the latus rectum? Latus rectum is equal to b square over b square. Tama ba? Latus rectum over 2. Okay. B square over 2. So, yan yung latus rectum. No. Latus rectum is equal to, ano na yung formula ng latus rectum? So, I think this is 2b square over a. Okay, so check na lang natin mamaya. B and then a. Sige. So, practice tayo. I-practice natin na hanapin yung kanyang center and then kung ano yung itsura ng hyperbola. Okay? So, center. X. So, ito ay 9. Iyon ay 90. So, positive. Okay? So, 90 divided by 9 is 10. I-divide mo pa ng 2, 5. So, negative 5. Okay? And then, how about yung y? So, walang y dito. Y square lang ang meron. Automatic na ito ay 0. Okay? Yan. How about CA? And then CB. So, ang gawin natin, i-transform natin into its standard form. So, 9x square plus 10x. Okay. Plus, less 4y square is equal to negative 189. So, completing the square, x square plus 10x plus, this is 5, 25, no? Okay. Less 4y square is equal to negative 189 plus, kasi nagdagdag tayo ng 25 times 9. Yan ba yung 25 times 9? Yan ay 225. So, 9x plus 5 square less 4y square is equal to 36. Yan. Sige. So, x plus 5 square over 2 square less y square over 36 divided by 4 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Yeah. 1. Okay. So, tama. Negative 5 and then 0. Ano yung itsura ng hyperbola? Horizontal pag ganon, no? Pag ganyan ang itsura ng hyperbola natin since positive ito, no? Positive ito, negative yun. Yan. Sige. So, what is the length of the latus rectum? Latus rectum is equal to 2b square over a. Okay, twice ng b square is 9. How about si a? 2. So, the length of the latus rectum is equal to 9, syempre. Okay, ano ba yung latus rectum? So, kung i-drawing sana natin yung hyperbola, that is negative 5 and then 0. Yan. And then hyperbola. So, hyperbola. Yan, no? So, ito sana si focus. So, F1 and then F2 and then merong paganyan, no? Paganyan na line. Yan yung tinatawag na latus rectum. Latus rectum. So, gaano kahaba? Ang haba na binabanggit niya ay yan. Okay. Ito yung binabanggit niya. Meron naman ibang paraan para mahanap natin yung length of latus rectum. Ang gawin mo lang dyan, i-minus mo yung y dito. Let's say y1 and then y2. So, paano mo malalaman kung ano yung y1 tsaka y2? Dapat alam mo yung focus. So, before mo makukuha yung focus, dapat alamin mo muna yung C. Okay, sige. Ano yung C? Is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Ano yung a square? That is equal to 4. How about yung b square? 9. So, square root of 13. Okay? So, from, ano yung center nito? This is negative 5 and then 0. So, from negative 5, mag-add ka ng square root of 13 papunta doon. So, ano yung F1? Halimbawa, that is negative 5 square root of 13, no? And then, 0. Now, i-substitute natin yung 5 square root of 13 dito, makukuha natin yung y. So, from sa equation na yan. Okay? Ayan. Check nyo natin, ha. So, yung equation is 9. Substitute natin yung 5 square, negative 5 plus square root of 13. Negative 5 plus square root of 13. 13 square less 4y square plus 90 negative 5 plus square root of 13 plus 189 is equal to 0. Ano kaya yung magiging y? Okay, solve natin. Okay, so mangyayari negative 4y square less 108 is equal to 0. So that means na ang y mo is equal to plus minus 9 over 2. Okay, so this means na yung point na ito is yung y nito is negative 9 over 2. So yung x, ito. How about here? Ang x, ang point na ito ay x, which is equal dito. And then 9 over 2. Okay, so para makuha yung natus rectum, ito, less yan. Okay, so that is equal to yung nasa taas, 9 over 2 minus yung nasa baba, negative 9 over 2. So still is equal to 9. Okay, so any solution, no? 14. Find the vertex of the hyperbola whose equation is 16. X squared less 9y squared plus 32x plus 36y less 36 is equal to 0. Okay? So, center. Muna. Para ma-practice tayo. Yung center nito ay this is 16, 32. 32 divided by 16 is 2. Divide mo pa ng 2, negative 1. And then, y, 36 divided by 9 is 4. Tama? Then, divide mo ng 2, 2. Okay? This is 2. Ayan. So, check natin kung tama yung ginawa natin. So, initially, ano yung magiging itsura ng hyperbola? Horizontal ba? Okay? So, parang horizontal, no? Kasi positive to, negative yun. But, check pa rin natin. Baka mamaya mali. Okay? 16. And then, x squared plus 2x. Then, less 9. Y squared less negative, positive. Okay. Sorry. Should be negative, no? And then, 4y is equal to 36. Okay, so tama ba? 9 times 4 positive 36. Okay. So, completing the square. X squared plus 2x plus 1 less 9. Y squared less 4y plus 4 is equal to 36 plus 16. 4 times 9 negative 36. So, yan. So, x plus 1 square 16 less 9 y less 2 square is equal to 16. So, x plus 1 square over 1 square. Tama? Less y less 2 square 16 over 9. 16 over 9 and then square root mo 4 over 3 square is equal to 1. So, tama, no? So, horizontal pa rin yung ating hyperbola. And at the same time, yung center is negative 1 and then 2. Okay, so tama yung assumption. So, ano ngayon yung vertex? Sige. So, drawing muna natin. So, from that, so without graphing the equation, so by checking lang, so i-check lang natin yung ito, yung standard form na ito. So, negative 1 and then 2. So, ano kaya yung magiging A nito? 1. Horizontal, hindi nagbabago yung kanyang y. So, vertex 1, sabihin na lang natin, a is 1, no? So, 1 plus 1, 2, and then, negative 1, no? Vertex 1, negative 1 plus 1, 0, and then 2. How about yung vertex 2? That is equal to negative 1 less 1, negative 2, and then 2. So, check natin. Okay, so the center is negative 1 and then 2. So, negative 1 and then 2. How about si A? 1. Mag-move tayo ng isa pa ganon. So, ito. Isa. Okay, so this is 0 and then 2. And then, next, isa. So, itong point naman nito is negative 2 and then 2. So, the hyperbola, paganyan yung ating hyperbola. Okay? Number 15, find the equation of the hyperbola with vertices negative 4, 2, 0, and then 2. And then yung focus niya na dalawa, negative 5, 2, and 1, and 2. So, by inspection class, yung hyperbola natin ay horizontal, no? Kasi hindi nagbabago yung kanyang y. Okay? So, ano ba ang kailangan nating hanapin muna before natin mai-derive yung equation? So, kailangan nating so since this is horizontal, so the equation of the hyperbola is x less h square less y less k square is equal to 1, no? So, I am not sure kung A ito or B yan. Okay? So, depende, no? Kung mas malaki ang A, siyempre dito natin lalagay. So, check muna natin. Sige. So, A square. Okay, for the meantime, lagay natin dito. Then, B square. Ang A and then si B. Oh, yeah. So, draw natin yung hyperbola. Ano ba yung yung center of the hyperbola? So, hatiin mo lang yung kanyang vertices or yung kanyang focus, yun na yung center of the hyperbola. Okay? So, center of the hyperbola, vertices, pwede rin, no? So, hindi nagbabago yung y. So, alam na natin na ang y niya ay 2. How about yung vertex? So, 4 less 2, yan ay 4 less 0, 4. Divide mo ng 2, 2. So, doon banda, that is negative 2. Okay? Sige. Yan, okay na. How about si A? So, ang A natin is 2. Tama ba? Kasi yung vertex mo, di ba? Yung vertex mo is negative 2, 2, no? 4 less 0 is 4. I-divide mo lang ng 2, kaya 2 yung A. Okay. How about si B? Ang B mo dyan ay using yung formula na B square is equal to C square less A square. So, okay na si A. How about si C? Yung distance sa focus na dalawa. Okay, so negative 5, no? Tapos 1. Gaano ba kalayo yan? So, negative 5. Okay, that is 6, no? So, negative 5 less 1. Okay? Is negative 6. Divide mo ng 2. Kaya ay, ang C mo dyan ay 3. Okay? So, what is B? 3 square, 9. Less 2 square, 4. Okay, so that is square root of 5 yung iyong b. O, ayan, okay na. So, the equation of the hyperbola is x less negative 2 square over a square is 4 less y less 2 square over this is 5. Okay, is equal to 1. So, kitang-kita class na yung ano natin, yung tawag dito. Yung a natin, a square is 4, yun din yung b square is 5, no? So, yan. So, kung sa ellipse class, ang a or yung mas malaki, no? Yung a natin is palaging mas malaki kay b. So, dito, kitang-kita na si b is greater than a, no? So, hindi ganon, ha? Hindi ganon. Sa ellipse, pwede yon. Pero dito, hindi. Okay, so, yan. So, multiply both sides by 4 and 5. So, 20. So, 5x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4y square less 4y plus 4 is equal to 20. So, 5x square plus 4x plus 20 plus 4y square plus 16y plus 16 is equal to 20. So, 5x square less 4y square plus 4x plus 16y. Okay, how about yung constant? Wala yon. Less 16 is equal to 0. So, this is the equation of the hyperbola. So, i-graph natin. Sige. Vertex, negative 4 and then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertex 1. Okay. Vertex 2, 0 and 2. Ito. So, the center is andito banda yung center. How about yung focus? Yung C natin is 3. Oh, yan. Magdagdag ka ng isa. Magdagdag ka ng isa. Yan. Okay. So, ito yung hyperbola natin. Ganyan yung hyperbola. Okay. Number 16. So, find the equation of the asymptote of the hyperbola.